Thank you for calling customer support. How can I help you today?
Hi, yes, hello. I'm calling to follow up on a request I made a few days ago. I just wanted to check the status and see if there have been any updates.
Of course, I'll be happy to look into that for you. Can you tell me a little more about the request?
Sure, it was related to a service activation that I requested earlier this week. I was told it should be ready soon, but I haven't received any confirmation yet.
All right, before I check the details, I'll just need to verify your account. Could you please confirm the email address linked to your account?
Yes, it's the same email I used when I signed up.
Thank you. And just to confirm, are you calling from the phone number registered on the account?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Please give me a moment while I check the system. Thank you for waiting. I can see your request in the system now. At the moment, it looks like it's still being processed.
Okay. When you say being processed, what exactly does that mean?
That's a good question. It means your request has already been received and approved, but the final steps haven't been completed yet.
I see. Is there a reason why it's taking longer than expected?
Yes, we've had a higher number of requests than usual over the past few days, so some requests are taking a little longer to complete.
All right, so this isn't a problem with my account specifically.
No, not at all. Everything on your account looks fine.
That's good to hear. I just wanted to make sure nothing was wrong.
I completely understand. Waiting without updates can be frustrating.
Yeah, especially when you're not sure what's happening. How much longer do you think it will take before everything is completed?
Normally, this process takes about 2 business days. In your case, it may take one additional business day.
So I should expect it to be done by tomorrow.
Yes, that's correct. You should see the update by the end of the day tomorrow.
All right, and I don't need to submit the request again, right?
That's right. There is nothing else you need to do at this time.
Okay, that's a relief.
What I can do is add a note to your account to let the team know you called today to check the status.
That would be great. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Once the request is completed, you'll receive a confirmation email.
Perfect. I'll keep an eye on my email then.
Sounds good. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that should be everything.
All right then. Thank you for calling and thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Before we continue, if real English conversations like this help you feel more confident, take a second to subscribe to the channel. New real-life calls are uploaded regularly, and they're designed to help you understand and speak English naturally. You can also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next conversation. And if this call feels useful, share it with someone who's learning English too. All right, let's continue. Thank you for calling customer support. How can I assist you today?
Hi, good morning. I'm calling to follow up on a request I submitted earlier this week. I just wanted to check on the status and make sure everything is moving forward.
Of course, I'll be happy to help you with that. Can you briefly tell me what the request was about?
Yes, it was a service activation request. I completed everything online, and I was told it should be processed within a couple of days.
All right, I understand. Before I check the details, I'll need to verify your account for security reasons. Could you please confirm the email address associated with your account?
Sure, it's the same email I used when I registered.
Thank you. And just to confirm, are you calling from the phone number listed on your account?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Please hold for a moment while I access your information. Thank you for your patience. I can see your request here in the system. At the moment, it shows that it's still being processed.
Okay. When you say still being processed, does that mean something is missing?
No, not at all. It simply means that the request is in progress and hasn't reached the final completion stage yet.
All right. I was just a bit concerned because I haven't received any emails or notifications.
That's completely understandable. Sometimes the system doesn't send an update until the process is fully completed.
I see. So it's normal not to hear anything during this stage.
Yes, that's correct.
Is there a reason why it's taking longer than expected?
Yes, Over the last few days, we've received a higher volume of requests than usual. As a result, some requests are taking slightly longer to complete.
Okay, so this delay isn't specific to my account.
No, it's not related to your account at all. Everything on your account looks fine.
That's good to hear. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't a problem or an error.
I completely understand. It's always a good idea to check, especially when timing is important.
Exactly. I need the service active as soon as possible. Do you have an estimated time for when it should be completed?
Yes, normally this process takes about 2 business days. In your case, it may take 1 additional business day.
So realistically, I should expect it to be completed by tomorrow?
Yes, by the end of tomorrow.
All right, that helps a lot. Just to confirm, I don't need to resubmit the request or upload anything again, right?
That's correct. There's nothing else required from you at this time.
Okay, I was worried I might have missed a step.
No, everything was submitted correctly.
If it's not completed by tomorrow, what should I do?
If you don't see any updates by then, you're welcome to call us back or contact support again, and we can look into it further for you.
All right, that sounds fair.
What I can do right now is add a follow-up note to your account indicating that you called today to check on the status.
That would be very helpful. Thank you for doing that.
You're welcome. This can sometimes help speed things up.
Will I receive an email once everything is completed?
Yes, once the request is finalized, you'll receive a confirmation email automatically.
Perfect. I'll keep an eye on my inbox.
Is there anything else you'd like me to check while I have your account open?
No, I think that covers everything for now.
All right. Thank you for your patience and for calling today.
Thank you for taking the time to explain everything clearly.
You're very welcome. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us again.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.